What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. If you don't already follow me over on Instagram, make sure you guys go hit that follow button so you can stay up to date. But I made a story a few days ago saying that I just purchased something for the 86. I'm super excited because, as you may be able to tell, we actually have the box that I'm talking about sitting right here. I had so many of you guys reach out to me saying that you thought I got a TRD kit or a carbon fiber trunk for the 86. As much as I love the look of both the carbon fiber trunk and the TRD kit, we're not gonna do that just quite yet. However, what's inside this package right here should be a bunch of fun. And I've actually talked about doing it for months now. I'd love to hear what you guys think is inside this package and what we're gonna be doing next to the 86. But enough about this package. I'll talk about it more in the next couple of videos. But I know you guys absolutely love whenever we take the car out and do some POV drives. So I figured today would be the perfect opportunity. With that being said, let's go ahead and get the 86 all pulled out onto the driveway. That way we can let it warm up for a few minutes, and then we can start the POV drive. Yo, what's up, dog? What's up?
What kind of car that is?
It's a GR86.
Oh.
Yo, take it easy. Alright you guys, so we just made it to this pull-off spot where I can go ahead and grab some photos and videos for you guys. It's pretty nice, just near the water and everything. So I figured it'd be a perfect opportunity while we're doing the POV drive. Alright you guys, now that we just got done grabbing some photos and videos, we're gonna go ahead and head back on the road and continue the POV drive. If you enjoyed, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Make sure you guys stay tuned because I got some awesome videos planned upcoming soon. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.